Here we go then. This is going to be a one-take system run through of this house and how it all kind of works together. So this is a property in Darlington where DMH Electrical and Renewables completed the full renewables package. That's right, we have every product that we can offer to you as a customer of ourselves. We have an air source heat pump, we have solar panels, we have EV charging, we have battery storage, including full home backup, and I'm going to try and take you on a tour of how it works in one take. So, where are we going to start? Follow me, we're going to start at the heat pump. This is a Vaillant Aerotherm 3.5 kilowatt heat pump. How does the heat pump work? It draws the air from outside in the back, and it is filled with propane, R290 to be precise. R290 boils at a very low temperature. A lot of witchcraft then happens, and this then heats water that goes into your house into a water tank. So yes, Vaillant Aerotherm heat pump, which takes care of our heating and hot water. Our first renewable product on this home. Follow me again. Into the garage. Tucked away in the back of the garage, we have our hot water tank. That is where the hot water comes from our outdoor unit, our Vaillant Aerotherm heat pump. It then heats the water that is stored in that 250 litre tank over there in the corner for you and the kids to take a bath and a shower, wash your hands, no different to a gas boiler. It also heats the water that runs around your home up to even 60 degrees if necessary, but much lower temperatures. It keeps this house at 21 degrees. While we are in the garage, over here we have our Tesla Powerwall 3. This is an 11 kilowatt inverter. It has 13.5 kilowatt hours of storage, and it also takes in our solar PV panels. Fantastic piece of kit, like I say, can store energy, can convert the solar PV into AC usable energy, and in this scenario even does full off-grid protection. So when this house has a power cut, if it was turned on, that light would stay on. Last piece of renewable tech on this house, follow me. That is up there on that roof. Up there on that roof we have 12 405 Viridian solar panels. They take the sun's energy, irradiance, and they convert it into DC power. That then runs down to our Tesla Powerwall that we have just seen in the garage. Any excess that we have is stored in there, and that is our second renewables product on this house. So we can produce our own electricity, which we store, and from that stored energy or produced energy, we heat our hot water and our home. This house probably pays around about £50 a month. In fact, I know it pays £50 a month into its energy bills, including running on the drive. Follow me once more. Come on, come on. An EV. So yes, we can produce electricity, store electricity, use that electricity to charge, if I was feeling cheeky, my car, as well as heat our home and our hot water. Want to know more? You know what to do by now. Click the link, fill out the contact form, and we can take you on your own renewables journey.